Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. Just want to say welcome. And I just received back my Glock 19x from Umarex. And I'm going to show you real quickly that you can see this is the way I received it back. It said that the little BB gun was, the safety was engaged and it would not, that's the reason why I wouldn't shoot, and there's no issues with the gun. Now what I'm going to do real quickly is, before I ship this gun back to get serviced, or actually it was supposed to be replaced because this is number 2. The first one, the trigger wouldn't move, safety on or off, didn't matter. So you can put the safety off like it is now, or safety on, and it shouldn't move. Safety off. Red button there, red dot, and the safety should be. It wouldn't do that at all before on the original. So this one is at least allowing the trigger to move. So now what we're going to do here is I have 2 magazines here, and as you can see, they both have BBs in them. They both have full cartridges of gas right here, and I've already attempted with 2 different magazines. These are the BBs that I just got through attempting to fire. Right here, there's 3 of them in my fingers there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Alright, so this is not something I would do inside my own building, is fire a gun inside these walls. We don't do that. We're going to today. Again, it says in the manual here, the protocol is load your cartridge in your magazine, tighten it up until the gas seal is sealing the gas in. Okay, till it breaks seal and it seals the gas. Okay, that's number 1. We have 2 of them here. Alright, so that's done. We're going to load the BBs up. You really should do that probably before you put the gas in, but you're going to shoot the things out. You're going to have to reload them, so it's not a big deal. Alright, so you do that. It says you put the firearm on safe. That's the protocol. So the firearm is on safe. See the white dot? Okay. So we've got the firearm in safe, which is not a firearm, it's a BB pistol. Alright, now we're going to put it in until it locks. I don't like this gun much. This right here is a pain in the butt. You see that? That slides forward. This slides forward to get to this. Can you even see that? There you go. Anyway, I don't have the key over here, it's over there. You slide that forward, you tighten that up, and it tightens the gas cylinder up in 2 and breaks the seal up in this magazine. Alright, then you got to get the thing wiggled back down there. Alright, did that. So now, we're going to put the little rascal inside here till it locks, and you can drop it out. Gosh, I love this firearm. Let's see if there's anything playing with me here. Alright, so now it's in. Alright, it's still on safe. So we're going to take the little mechanic's pocket screwdriver here. Now we're going to, well, let's go ahead and jack the slide like it says in protocol. Jack the slide. That's supposed to cock it. We're going to do it again, just for the heck of it. Heard something pop inside there, which shouldn't happen. Alright, you want to do it again? Okay, now here's what we're going to do. See these walls? They're wood. Ain't pretty. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this gun right here. I'm going to shoot it right here. Now then, do y'all see this right here? That is 5 BBs from 5 trigger pulls. Okay, let's take that mag out. Let's insert this one. Again, it has BBs, full gas cylinder. I hate this stinking gun. Alright, there we go. Now once again, let's do the protocol thing. Let's put it on safe. Now, the reason why it says put it on safe in the catalog is so, being an old firearm seller and a gunsmith, this is just for the lawyers to keep everyone safe on their end. So here it is in safe. See the little white dot? Okay. Jacket, that cocks it. Take it off of safe. Now, there's your red dot. Three BBs. Right there. Now I just spent, I think, $16, $18, $19, something like that, to send this. Wait a minute, 4 BBs, 4 trigger pulls. Okay, I just spent like close to $20 to send this back to the Umarex company, and they were going to replace it. They did not. So now I've got an Umarex that don't work, a spare mag. Not going to blame it on the mags. I've got a holster over here on my belt, so I won't take it off. And if I change brands of types and styles of guns, or even change brands of Umarex, I don't know that any of their other models mags will interchange, so I'm stuck with a Umarex BB pistol that does not fire, does not make a noise other than the clicks, mechanical clicks, and it don't even do that when you have a gas cylinder in it. So, to prove what I'm talking about, and by the way, I'm using the BBs and the gas cylinders that I was recommended to use by several different people in several forums, and that's this Daisy 177 caliber. It's the premium grade BB, and I've used them off and on for years, and they've never failed me. They're really true, really round, really good BB. Alright, so let's do this. And man, I'm just going to use the word angers. It angers me to have to waste another one of these gas cylinders, because this was $40 right here for, I think, no, 36, 35, 6, I don't know. I was, when I bought all this stuff, I was really ill. Now, I just went to the lung specialist yesterday, the oncologist, and I just found out I've got several more lung cancers. So we're going to be going in on the 12th of November, and they're going to biopsy them and try to figure out whether or not they're operable. So we'll find out, because I only have one lung. That was my backup. So having this, I thought I'd have some fun on the back porch while I was trying to get better here in the last 4 months. And it turns out that I wasn't able to use this, because I wasn't able to use it at all. And then when I got better, couldn't use it because A, it don't work. Now, let me go get the key. We'll take one of those gas bottles out, and I'm going to leave y'all looking at this lovely logo of Max's Garage Mahal. Take a look at the super clean clock here. Don't you wish you had one? Got to get you some of that. That's good stuff. This is junk. This is good. Go over and enter their contest here at Max's Garage Mahal, the 2024 Super Clean Contest, and you can win 2 of their products and a cap. Be right back. My brain's going defective here too. Alright, so let's see. We'll just take the nearest one. And let's see, I will take the one that they had at the Umarex plant, or repair station is really what it is. This is the one that actually works a lot better. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do. This has now had, this particular one has had 9 trigger pulls, so without expending any gas, so I'm going to lose a lot of gas here. So here we go, guys. This is going to be like the 4th or 5th gas bottle that's just thrown away. I don't know what that cost buying them by 4 or 5, but it's probably $5, $6. So here we go. There you go, guys. That's another one wasted. Just down the doggone drain for no reason. And you can tell it's full. You see all the frost all over it. But that sucker burn your fingers, it's so cold. Alright, so now we're going to take another brand new one. As you can see, still unpunctured. Okay, unpunctured. Here we go. Now then, I'm going to screw that sucker in there. This video is so much longer than it needs to be, and I understand that. I want to make damn sure everybody sees that I'm doing all there is to do to show the Umarex company that this firearm does not function. And the guy that checked it said that it did. I'm not saying he didn't check it. I'm just saying that he found that it works fine. I'm finding that now it's off safe, so that they don't end up getting sued by somebody. We'll put it back on safe. We'll jack it. We'll see the trigger will not pull. We'll take it off safe. And now it's in a firing position with the red dot there. It's not, there we go. Alright, now, here we go. Okay, I think that's all the BBs that one had in it. Yep. Alright, that one's empty. But the gas is not, because it has not been expelled. So here's the thing. This is an Umarex G19x. As you can see, it's in the tan colored. It is an ACWX519. So you can see it here on the barrel. You can see it here on the slide. You should be able to see it. Here's the serial number. Alright. Does not function. So I'm going to give it 2 big thumbs down. That's a waste of $100 a piece, or right about, for the gun. The spare magazine is, I think, was $39, something like that. The holster, don't remember what it was. That ain't a big deal. But my whole point to this is 2 firearms. BB guns, they're not firearms. 2 BB pistols, so let's say rounded up or down, $100 a piece. There's the requisite phone call I always get. The holster and the spare mag, that's about $250. $20 to send one back, because the first one, I don't even remember how that went out or how that worked out. But anyway, so we're talking about $250, $60, probably $280 with taxes. So really bad experience, Umarex. I know a lot of people have your products, and I know they really get a lot of fun out of them, and they really work well. You've had opportunity 3 times now to take care of me by selling me 2 and replacing 1, and you haven't done that. And I do appreciate the gentleman that did talk to him on the phone at Umarex USA. Nice guy. He's their armorer there, and I appreciate him giving it an attempt. I don't know what he did to find that it fires, but it's not firing here. I followed all the protocols exactly like it's in the manual, and it does not fire. Now, I have rebuilt probably in the neighborhood of 3,500 weapons for individuals, and I used to do off the books. I used to do the I used to do our National Guard armories, their Colt weapons. I used to take care of them, make those fire because they had 4 armors, and for some reason none of them could make them work. So they would sneak them out and bring them to me, and I would go through them, and there'd be myriad of problems. Most of the time it was simple stuff like when the case was extracted, it'd come back and hit the ejector would grab the case and come back and it'd hit the ejector, and it wouldn't turn it and flip it out. Okay, that's pretty simple stuff. So what do? You just replace the ejector. I've had them where the ejector was just rolled off from many thousands of rounds of full automatic. You'd have selectors, you'd have hammers that was rolled off. In other words, they weren't sharp and catch anymore, and they would just roll over. I had them where they would have cook-off. They were so hot that the barrel would stay hot and a round would get chambered, and of course it would fire, blow the bolt back, and sometimes they would keep firing, and they need those fixed. So as far as firearm goes, I have not taken this weapon apart. I haven't taken the slide off of it. I haven't taken anything out of it. It has not come apart at all. And to be honest with you, I probably won't, because I'm a little disgusted with the Glock 19x, and I definitely would not recommend you spending money on it. So Umarex, if you want to reach out to me at MAXSGARAJMAHAL@gmail.com, contact me. Get this taken care of. Let me do another review that shows that you're trying to make these right, as well as make the gun work. I'd like to I'd like to see this particular firearm work. B, I'd like for you to replace it, because I don't trust this one ever again. So regardless what's wrong with it, I'm going to call it junk, and I'm going to call Umarex not a very good company, because they don't take care of their customers. So appreciate you guys watching. If you get anything out of this, I know I'm going to get a lot of cook over this. People are going to really tell me how sorry I am to give a bad review, because I very seldom ever give a bad review. As everyone knows, I get chewed out because I don't give bad reviews. So I appreciate it again. Give me a like if you would. Share if you would. I'd really appreciate that. Umarex really needs to see this video. And as we always say here at Max's, oh, by the way, subscribe if you hadn't already. As we always say here at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see me now, yeah?